In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on Amazon in just 5 minutes. Using Affirm as a payment method on Amazon can give you the flexibility to spread out your payment over several months, making it a great option if you're looking to manage your budget more effectively. So, let's dive into the steps you need to take to make this happen. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, you'll need to create one to continue. It's a straightforward process, just ensure you have access to your email for verification. Now that you're signed in, it's time to shop. Go ahead and add your desired items to your shopping cart. Note that only certain items are eligible for monthly payments with Affirm, so be mindful of that as you make your selections. When you're ready to check out, proceed to the checkout page as you would for any typical transaction. Once you reach the payment options section, you'll need to select Affirm as your payment method. Sometimes it might appear under the option labeled monthly payments, so keep an eye out for that. After you've selected Affirm, you'll be prompted to sign into your Affirm account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen instructions. You'll typically need to provide some personal information to set this up, just like you would for any financial service. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to see different payment plan options. Affirm usually offers plans of 3, 6, or 12 months, giving you a range of choices depending on what fits your budget best. Take some time to carefully consider which plan works for you, as this will determine how your payments are spread over time. Next, it's important to review all your loan details. This includes going over the interest rate and the total payment amount. Make sure everything looks good and nothing is out of place. Once you're satisfied, you can confirm the loan details. This step is crucial because once confirmed, the process is set in motion. Once your loan details are confirmed, Affirm will pay Amazon for your purchase. You'll be responsible for paying Affirm back according to the plan you chose. You can manage these payments easily through the Affirm app or their website, both of which are user-friendly and designed to keep payment tracking simple. Finally, don't forget to keep track of your payments and due dates in your Affirm account. Keeping an eye on these details will help ensure that you stay on top of your payment schedule and avoid any unnecessary fees. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Affirm to pay for your Amazon purchases. It's a great tool for budget management, giving you the confidence to buy now and pay over time. Happy shopping!